So we basically just have to prove to Amazon that our listing is normal and that we are, getting normal sales. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going over the new methods that I think are going to be working for this new review process for people that are launching their products. Now, I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering, how am I going to get started with Amazon FBA if we can't even get reviews anymore, or we can't ask people for reviews, we can't incentivize for them. Now, yes, of course, all these things we can't do. We've always not been able to do this, but there are certain ways that you can get around it. Now, if you go on YouTube and then you watch certain people's videos, you'll find that Amazon bases the review process based off of how many, the sale to review ratio. So if you're getting one sale and then a review, then another sale, then maybe no review, and then a sale, and then a sale, then another review after that, Amazon's going to look at that and they're going to think to themselves, like, what are the chances that this guy is going to be getting a review every other sale? And that's going to factor into the algorithm, and then that's going to raise up a flag, and then it's going to delete your reviews. So the best thing that you guys can do, and I'm doing this right now as well, is when you start launching your product, right? Well, not when you start launching it. When you start doing your initial giveaways, right? You don't have to do a product launch first. Like, you don't have to do Zon Jump or viral launch just yet. What I suggest you guys do is go out, get your coupon codes. Watch my previous video on how to create coupon codes. Go on Facebook and basically give away around, let's say, at least 5 units, 5 to 10 units. Do giveaways for that. You can do anywhere from 30% off and up. Of course, the higher your coupon codes, the higher chance people are going to buy your product. And basically give away 5 to 10 units, and then from there start getting your reviews, right? Start getting your first unverified review, start getting your first verified review. And of course, this is going to work with unverified reviews the most, because when you give people coupon codes, you can ask them to leave a review as well. But what I suggest you guys do, instead of asking them for a review, because there's a higher chance that those ones do get removed just based off the fact that they did get a coupon code, ask people, go to these groups, go to elite entrepreneurs, go to Amazon groups that are based off of certain YouTubers. I can create a Facebook group for you guys if you want, and just go in there, find people that don't leave a lot of reviews normally, and when they leave reviews, they actually buy the product, and they wait some time for them to actually leave a review. And people that have an active Amazon purchase history. Now, the best ways you guys can do this is actually go on product giveaway groups as well and distribute your coupon codes, or of course you can do it through Facebook. But just try and find people that are trustworthy, and that doesn't have a past bad history when it comes to reviews on Amazon. So when you give your initial 5 to 10 units away using coupon codes, they don't all have to be verified purchases, and they don't all have to be unverified purchases. We're doing this to show Amazon that we are we're getting sales, and that our listing is normal, and that our reviews are going to be normal. I literally just gave away 30 something units or so. So I'm gonna be able to leave, I'd say I'm probably gonna leave around 3 to maybe 5 reviews or so, and I'm probably going to get maybe a couple verified sales here and there. Now, of course, this whole process is very different from how it used to be, where you can literally just go ask people for verified or unverified reviews, and Amazon really wouldn't think of it as long as you weren't getting tons and tons of reviews in one single day. Now, the other rule on that as well, if you guys haven't figured this out, is if you guys have 6 to 8 reviews a day, I think it's 6 verified and 8 unverified. If you have all those in one day, or it might be just 6 to 8 reviews a day, that raises a flag to Amazon. And guys, you shouldn't be getting that many reviews in a day anyway. You shouldn't be able to contact that many people and have them leave it all on one day, because that'd be really dumb. So of course, space that out. I'd say you can leave a review maybe every other day for unverified. And then what I suggest maybe you guys do is have 3 to 4 reviews a week, and then from there you can start getting your initial 5 to 10 reviews through that process. So like I said, guys, I think the best way you guys can do this is start getting your initial sales right before you leave any reviews. And no, do not get any reviews for your product until your your product arrives at the FBA facility. Because if you do that, Amazon is going to catch, like, Amazon sets up algorithms that track sketchy stuff or track suspicious stuff that's not normal, right? So why would people get reviews on a product that's not in the FBA facility? Why should we keep this review for Johnny over here that gets like 5 or 6 reviews every single day that are all 5-star, that are all unverified or verified? So we basically just have to prove to Amazon that our listing is normal and that we are getting normal sales, etc. So that's why I suggest you get 5 to 10 coupon codes or giveaways, and then from there get a couple verified purchases. And then like I said, the most important review that you guys can have is a verified purchase that is going to have your pictures and your video review in it. Now you can go on Fiverr and get people to do a video review for your product, but of course they're not going to leave the review for you on Amazon. You can use their video and then get somebody else to post it for you. I think it's very smart, and honestly, it's going to give you that upper hand when it comes to other sellers and competing with them, so you don't have to worry about them having crazy reviews as well. And I've seen listings do crazy numbers with video reviews as compared to other listings that just have simple text and long paragraphs and maybe a simple quality picture. So that's what you guys need to understand. Even if you can't get, like, honestly, if you guys can't get all 10 reviews, that's fine, because if you think about it, if you get all those 10 reviews, most likely than not, Amazon's going to remove maybe a couple of them or so, and you just don't want to risk that. So I honestly, and of course when you put in all that work, you don't want, especially to get reviews nowadays, you don't want to have that all taken away. So I'd probably suggest you guys get 5 to maybe 6, maybe 3 to 5 reviews, and of course make those reviews the best as possible. So video reviews and picture reviews, etc., unverified. Try to have mostly verified, and then the other half unverified. So with that being said, guys, that's all I really want to talk about for this video. The most important thing when you're getting reviews is making sure you have sales volume, and you're proving to Amazon that these reviews coming in are legitimate, or that seem legitimate. So you guys have to keep that in mind. So just basically, like I said, give away 5 to 10 coupon codes, and then wait a couple of days or so, wait for those products to arrive to those people, and then from there you can start asking around on Facebook groups, or now of course stay away from Amazon reviewer Facebook groups, but go through entrepreneur groups like certain YouTubers like Derek Struggle, Dan Voss, Tanner J. Fox. Like, just find these YouTubers' Facebook pages, go in there, and then just basically DM people and ask them, make friends, try and figure out who in there is going to be able to leave a review for you, buy your product, etc. And then from there you just slowly get these reviews, right? So with that being said, that's all I really want to talk about in this video. So basically the updated version of how I think you guys should be approaching the whole review process for 2018 and moving forward. Now, of course, all the stuff is being revealed to us now as things start to settle down with the reviews and everything. By no means should this be a barrier for any of you guys trying to get into Amazon FBA, because of course the reviews is not everything. There's people on the product marketplace that sell like crazy without any reviews. Now, I'm not saying I think everyone should get reviews, at least 3 to 5, but what I'm saying is, don't let this be a barrier to your entry. Because if you think about it, people that see this as a barrier aren't going to jump on Amazon, and the people that are more serious about it are going to jump on and make some money. So there's less competition for us, right? So just keep that in mind, bear that in mind, guys. And one last thing I want to mention as well, when you do give out your coupon codes, make sure that you're not giving out too many. Like, use ManyChat and Zapier to give out single-use coupon codes. Just make sure you give out I'd say at most 15 to 20, because if you guys don't know, Amazon, for whatever reason, you can't set up your coupon codes anymore to where you have to where it's like, so if you have 50% off coupon code, you can't have that like per product that somebody gets, right? So what I mean by this is like someone can literally buy like 10 of your units and get like 10 of your units in the cart, and then apply the coupon code and they get 50% off or 90% off of that whole entire cart. It's not like per unit. Of course, it's per unit if they get one of your items, but if they get a whole bunch in bulk, that coupon code applies to the whole entire price of that whole entire bulk. So I don't know why they changed this, and they should have changed that little tab when you do your coupon codes to not percent off, but actually amount off. And I don't know why they don't do this anymore, because we're literally risking our inventory being bought out. Like I literally had one guy buy like 10 units for the 95% off coupon code that I had. So he probably literally got it for maybe a couple of dollars, like $5 or $6. So which is crazy. But oh well, that's something that we have to jump on. I'm probably not going to do a lot of Facebook ads when it's officially launch my product, because I want to avoid these things. So that's why I suggest you guys use launch services like ZonJump or Viral Launch, where people on there are probably going to be more trustworthy and actually know exactly what they need to do, and aren't going to screw you over as compared to random people, as compared to people that you randomly advertise to for your Facebook ads. So hopefully you guys understand that and get where I'm coming from, and hopefully you guys apply with this apply this whole process that's arising. So make sure you comment down below and tell me how it goes. Make sure you like. I'll definitely be taking you guys through the process as well. And hopefully I can launch my product within the first, within maybe the first week of August, or maybe at the end of this month. Who knows? We'll see. So if you guys don't know, I have a whole bunch of templates down below in the description. So if you guys need that, you can check that out. And with that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow.